This stupid simple scalping strategy consistently gives me days like this, and this, and I'm about to show you exactly how. And it's so stupid simple that even a complete beginner cannot mess this up. And the best part is it works every single day. And in this video, I'm going to show you the full strategy and make a complete backtest to prove that this strategy can instantly make you a profitable trader today. So you see my results, but the real question is, how can you do it? And that's exactly the goal of this video, to make you consistent profits trading a proven and simple strategy in less than 90 minutes per day. You will learn one stupid simple strategy to find your entry, set your take profit and stop loss, and use the brain rule to avoid losing trades. No more guessing, no hoping, just clarity and consistent execution. And we will put this strategy to the test over the last month to see how much money you would have made trading it. So let's dive into the strategy. First of all, you will get to your desk right at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And by the way, this works in all markets, whether it's futures, forex, stocks, options, or crypto. And we will only have 3 simple steps. So step 1, activate the ICT kill zones and pivots indicator. This is the indicator that you see right here on the chart. You will see, just like here, for example, the session high and the session low, and when the session starts and when the session ends. Right here, this is for the Asian session, and then you will have the London session, which is right here, and right here the New York session is starting. Furthermore, you will also have the weekly open, the PDH, the monthly open, daily open, and the midnight, so on and so forth. And these levels will be our area of interest to take the trades off of. So step 2, go to the 30-minute and activate the MC indicator. So the MC indicator is very simple. It's not a public one, it's a custom one. So make sure to stick until the end, because at the end of the video, I will show you guys how to get both of these indicators completely for free and show you the instructions. So right here, you guys can see these red candles, and these are the candles that we want. The MC indicator with alerts will show us these candles, and not only show us these candles, but also give us alerts. So whenever a candle like that is formed, then the indicator will give us an alert via TradingView, and we will note that a manipulation candle is formed. So step 3, watch for the manipulation model entry method. But there's a specific behavior we're looking for to enter a trade, and I'll walk you through exactly what it looks like in the backtest. By the way, guys, I've built a 100% free trading community for traders who want to simplify their trading and find consistency. Inside, there's a completely free course, updated market outlooks, and tons of more value. I'll leave a link in the description for you to join. So now let's get into the manipulation model entry method. One question for you before we start. If you had a proven strategy, are you the type of person to stay consistent with it? I hope your answer is yes, because that's the most important skill that any profitable trader has. So now it's time to put this to the test with real examples, so you can walk away from this video with total clarity and confidence and see just how much money the strategy made in the last month alone. So right here, as you guys can see, we have already 9 a.m. New York session has started, and we are on gold right here. So what we want to do is look at the indicators. Where are we? So the previous daily low is already swept, and we are in New York session. We can see from the indicator we have the daily open right here and the monthly open right here, but the midnight is down here. So all we are looking for is a manipulation candle from here tapping the midnight, and we can take that trade. As simple as that. Why? Because we already closed above the London session. So thanks to the indicator, we can already see this is the London high, and we already closed above that. The manipulation is also there. We already swept Asia high. PDL is also swept. So all we need is that candle to give us that closure, and we can take that trade. And already right here, the 30-minute candle gave us the manipulation candle. So if you guys realize, the candle is not red, so it's not showing with the manipulation candle indicator, but there is a catch to it. So the manipulation candle indicator, to make it simple for you guys, we coded it according to the wicks. So because the top wick is a bit longer on this one, the indicator is not showing it, but it is still a manipulation candle. Why? Because we broke the low and broke the high and closed in the opposing direction. So this is a valid manipulation candle. If you guys are not familiar with the manipulation candles, we have a specific YouTube video for that as well, and it's pretty much explained in all of the videos, so you can watch that as well to go in detail and understand the manipulation candle. So on this day, we were actually streaming on YouTube, and I told the guys that once we close above this high, we can easily take the buys. It took a little bit too long, so I closed the stream, but after the stream, I alerted the guys in the Discord and we took this buy right here after this 30-minute manipulation candle with the stop loss below, targeting a minimum of 1 to 2 as always. And simple as that, we took that buy right here, put the stop loss below, and our take profit at this area for 1 to 2. So I was risking like $3,300 for around $6,600. So let's see how this trade plays out, and simple as that. And by the way, one thing that I forgot to say is always and always around the 1 hour mark is where we put our stop loss at break even. So this will be our break even point. So we will not take any partials whatsoever. So this trade is still running. We're up around $4,000, but we are not taking any partials or closing the trade. We're only putting the stop loss at break even. So we cannot lose this trade anymore, and just holding this trade at this point. Let's see what happens. And right there, the TP hits, and yeah, later on trade goes even more than that. It's as simple as that. So you guys probably realize this is pretty boring and consistent trading, but boring and consistent trading always equals to profitable trading. So right here at the bottom right corner, you guys can see we made on this trade $6,680. Was a simple trade, zero drawdown, and went all the way to TP. Really simple. So now you have a stupid, simple, and proven strategy, which means you have everything you need to become a consistent trader. So let's summarize the 3 simple steps. Step 1, activate the ICT kill zones and pivots indicator. We did that right here. We reacted from the midnight, took that trade, beautiful trade. Step 2, go to the 30-minute and activate the MC indicator. That's exactly what we did as well. The MC with alerts indicator, we have it. This trade, the candle is not red, but it's still a manipulation candle because we broke the high and broke the low. And step 3, watch for the manipulation model entry method. As you guys already know, the manipulation model is very simple. As long as you react from a midnight, PDL, daily open, a monthly open, and right here we have another daily open, but as long as you react from any kind of these of levels and close above session highs and you have a manipulation candle, that trade is valid. You can take the trade from here and ride it up to the target. So now, as promised guys, I will show you how to access the indicator. So first of all, let me show you the settings first. So these are my settings for the ICT kill zones and pivots indicator. If you copy these settings, you will have the exact same chart as me. So I have it 1 hour limit, and then I have the boxes. I have Asia, London session, NY AM, NYC, London close. These are the times. You can just copy them. I have show pivots, and then I have also the daily open, high, low, weekly open, monthly open as well. And I have the midnight as well, guys. So you can just go ahead, screenshot this or copy it right away for your trading view, and then your chart will look exactly the same. So to access the indicator, you click on this tab right here and then type in ICT kill zones plus pivots, and then use it from TFO. So trade for OPP, you can use this indicator, and that's the exact same I use myself. So for the second indicator, MCs with alerts, this is a custom indicator, guys. So you will not find it in this tab, but the way you can access it is very simple. You just click the link in the description and follow the instructions, and it's 100% for free. Our whole community is using it, but the beauty is that you have also alerts. So once you have that indicator, you can go ahead, click on these 3 dots, and then click on add alert on MCs with alerts. So right here, as you guys can see, we have 4 types of settings, and I recommend you guys always use once per bar close, because then it will give you an alert once a manipulation candle is fully closed, but the other ones are giving you alerts when it's forming as well. So just use this one to make it very clear, and then you can also give it yourself a message like that, M30, and whatever the time frame is. So if you want to trade this with me at market open, have every trade you take reviewed, and be directly mentored by me, I'll leave a link to apply in the description. And to be honest, not everyone will qualify, but if you do, I guarantee you will become a funded trader with consistent payouts, or I will personally trade with you until you get funded. So make sure to subscribe, guys, because next week I will upload another video going into detail, showing you guys some tweaks and some secrets so you guys can have a high win rate and avoid unnecessary losses. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.